I'm going to show you how you can create a guild in the Discord server. Now, I'm going to say from the get-go that this is a beta feature. So what that means basically is that you won't be able to access this feature unless you get chosen for the beta program. But if you do get chosen, you'll see something like this pop up, and then you can go through the actual making process of the guild to actually make your guild. If you don't want to see the pop-up as well, there is another way you can see if your guild is available. For example, if you're in a server here, if you press on this, and then you press on the actual server settings here, and on the actual server settings here, if you scroll down, you can see right now I don't have it, but if you have it, this is what it will look like. Now when you look like this, it'll look like this. The process will go through all of these, and again, you do need to be in a beta feature listing if you want to actually make a guild, because this isn't available for the general public. And I'm actually pretty sure that the guild feature is discontinued now, so I'm not sure if they're still sending out beta invitations, but who knows, maybe check. But if you do have the pop-up, or if you have the option available on your settings here, then create the guild by doing that.